I'm Ryan Sylvia. In this April, you can look out for some awesome astronomical events, and here's what they are. The perihelion is the point in the moon's monthly orbit around the Earth where it's at the closest point to the sun. This happens at around the time when the moon's orbit locates the moon in between the sun and the Earth. This means that it happens in or close to the new moon phase. You can see the perihelion this year on Tuesday the 2nd. During the moon's perihelion, the Earth will be at a distance of 1.0111 AU from the sun, and the moon will lie at a distance of 1.0086 AU from the sun. The distance between the Earth and Moon will be only 0.0025 AU, or 381,000 kilometers. On Tuesday the 16th, you will see the moon at perigee. This is when the moon is the closest to the Earth. It will be about 350,000 kilometers from Earth this day. This month you will also see the moon at apogee. Apogee is the opposite of perigee, meaning it is when the moon is the farthest away from Earth. The moon will be about 400,000 kilometers distance away from the Earth at this point. You can spot this apogee on Sunday the 28th. The reason the moon has points closest and farthest from Earth is because its orbit is not a perfect circle. Instead, it goes around the Earth in an elliptical orbit. This is the same style that the Earth goes around the sun. During perigee, the gravitational pull of the moon is the strongest. This means that during this period there will be an increase in average range of tides. If the moon is at apogee, then the opposite happens. Since the gravitational pull is less, the tide's average range decreases. Conjunctions in astronomy are when two objects have either the same right ascension or the same ecliptic longitude as observed from Earth. Conjunctions are phenomena caused by viewers' perspective. The objects that you see close together aren't actually close. They just appear to be because of the angle that you see them. There are a bunch of conjunctions you can see throughout April. On Tuesday the 2nd, you can locate the Moon and Venus looking like they are getting close to each other. That same night, you can see Mercury and Neptune in a conjunction as well. The very next Tuesday in April, the 9th, you will be able to see the conjunction of the Moon and Mars and the conjunction of Venus and Neptune. On Tuesday the 23rd, you can see the Lyrid meteor shower. The best viewing time for meteor showers is before dawn. However, a waning gibbous moon will wash out all of the dimmer meteors this year. If you're patient, you will still be able to see the bright ones though. Most years the Lyrid shower produces 15 meteors per hour, but this year it may go up to around 20 an hour. Every once in a while, the Lyrid shower will even have 100 meteors per hour. This is called an outburst, and it's very hard to predict when exactly it will happen. If you want to find the most meteors, look towards the constellation Lyra. This is to the northeast of the star Vega, which is very easy to spot due to its brightness. The meteors in the Lyrid meteor shower come from the comet Thatcher. Little pieces fall off of the comet that comes around every 415 years. Even though the comet hasn't passed since 1861 and won't be back until 2276, there is still debris left by Thatcher that produces the shower we see every year. Observations of the Lyrid meteor shower go all the way back to 687 BC. As long as you find a dark spot, you won't need any equipment to view this phenomenon. This is what it will look like. Another meteor shower you can see in April is the A-Scorpiid shower. You can see this shower on Sunday the 28th. This shower isn't as active as the Lyrid shower. You'll only be able to see about 5 meteors an hour. From Emmaus, the radiant of the shower is about 12 degrees above the southeastern horizon. Since it's low in the sky, you may see a little as 1 per hour. From any location you can find the radiant with the right ascension of 16 hours, 20 minutes, and declination of 24 degrees south. The radiant is the location where all meteors would travel outwards from. For all meteor showers, you do not want to look directly at the center of the radiant. If you look about 30 degrees away from it, you will be able to see the meteors with the longest tails, and they will be spread enough apart. Unlike the Lyrid shower, the moon will have no interference with visibility. On the 28th, the moon will be a waning crescent. And those are some awesome astronomical events you can see in April 2019.